के भयो मलाई भन. Tell me what happened. Tell me what happened. के भयो मलाई भन. मबाट यो नगराऊ अथवा मद्वारा यो नगराऊ. Don't make me do this. Don't make me do this. मबाट यो नगराऊ. एकदमै ध्यान दिएर. Be very carefully. Be very carefully. एकदमै ध्यान दिएर. पहिलो पटक. For the first time. For the first time. पहिलो पटक. जति चाहिन्छ लिनुस्. Take as many as you want. Take as many as you want. जति चाहिन्छ लिनुस्. यदि मन पर्छ भने सबै लिनुस्. Take all if you like. Take all if you like. यदि मन पर्छ भने सबै लिनुस्. उसलाई खोज. Find him. Find him. उसलाई खोज. मलाई एउटा लिन देऊ. Let me have one. Let me have one. Let me have one. मलाई एउटा लिन देऊ. Let me have one. हजुरको समय पूरा भयो. Your time is up. Your time is up. हजुरको समय पूरा भयो. नराम्रो बानी छोडिदिऊ. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. नराम्रो बानी छोडिदिऊ. यो कुनै नाटक थिएन. It wasn't an act. It wasn't an act. यो कुनै नाटक थिएन. मेरो तौल धेरै कम भयो. I have lost my weight. I have lost my weight. मेरो तौल धेरै कम भयो. म अहिले आउन सक्दैन. I can't come now. I can't come now. म अहिले आउन सक्दैन. म हजुरसँग भोलि भेट्नेछु. I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. म हजुरसँग भोलि भेट्नेछु. I will see you tomorrow. यो बुझाऊ. Explain this. Explain this. यो बुझाउनुस्. Explain this. यो बुझाउनुस्. उसलाई यो काम गर्न देऊ. Let him do this work. Let him do this work. उसलाई यो काम गर्न देऊ. उसलाई यो काम गर्न देऊ. Let him do this work.